What is going on, everybody? I know these videos are all over the place, but I just want to give y'all a quick review that I end up purchasing the Z Automotive Tazer. If y'all don't know what this is, this basically, if you have a Dodge Charger RT, SXT, or SE, or anything except the SRT8, they unlock you to have the SRT pages that comes in the SRT8. What are the SRT pages, you ask me? Basically, this little thing right here where you can come down. Let me get the camera a little closer for y'all. You can come down here, SRT, and boom, you get your 0 to 60 time. Come down for the braking distance, come down for the quarter mile, the eighth mile, the G-forces. Of course, G-forces peak, which means which I was playing around with, that's why it's like that. And then of course you come back up here, and here is the most important part. You come right here to more, and there it is. Boom, SRT pages, boom. Of course you got the timers right here. I mean, this right here is a background that you can customize. You got your timers right here. Of course you can see that. I do not have any timers, so this is all brand new. I'm the first person to unlock this page. You got the G-forces right here. I'm going to show y'all that this works. I'm going to, as you can see, and watch steering angle. I'm turning my steering wheel. It works. Gauges 1, kind of self-explanatory what it is. Gauges number 2, more self-explanatory. You press this arrow down button. Oh my goodness. And this is my favorite part. You go to engine, peak performance, all that extra stuff. You go down to handling. It's, I guess, whatever. Options right here. Again, this is the background that y'all see. You can customize it. You come over here, you can change the car color. And this is what my favorite part is, what people don't tell you. But you have to have it plugged in in order for this to work. So we're gonna go back over here. We're gonna go up to vehicle info. I'm gonna go down. As you can see, we are in all-wheel drive because I have the RT Max all-wheel drive. You hold down this little buddy right here for about like 5 to 7 seconds, and check this out. Boom. It completely turns off traction control, and we are now in rear wheel drive. So this basically lets your all-wheel drive car can be engaged into rear-wheel drive, and only that you can engage line lock if you want to drag race and stuff like that. And this is not permanent, because if you want to, well, it is permanent. What I'm saying is you have the option to turn it back on. So if you want to cut traction control back on, you see me just hold this button, same again button for 7 to 8 seconds, and it shall turn back on traction control and back in all-wheel drive. And here's the thing about it. If you're wondering, yes, the SRT pages are permanent until you, even if you unplug the device, it still stays permanent, and you can always turn them on and off at free will. We can turn it on, turn it off. And as you can see, my vehicle did not have sport mode. And now we have sport mode in my vehicle, which is crazy. And yes, like I said, everything is work. Unfortunately, I'm not going to test none of this out because clearly I'm in Michigan, and yeah, we not finna do that right now. We not finna do that. But I just want to give y'all a little quick review of my thoughts on the Z Automotive Tazer. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty costly. It's cost like $250, but I luckily got on Amazon and I paid like $232. I saved a few bucks. And it's worth it if you are into stuff like this. And also you can slowly finesse your way into it, like you want to charge people that like it. But me, I got friends that got cars just like this. I wouldn't charge them a dime if they want to do this. But like I said, this is a worth buy. This is a worth buy. I say order off of Amazon, because I know some websites can be sketchy. Order off of Amazon, they have it. It works just fine. And when you get it, we're going to show you what it looks like. If you come with this little cord right here, I guess you can charge it up. And I'm going to unplug the device. Give me 1 second, people. It's actually quite small. It looks a lot bigger in person. I'm sorry, bigger on picture. It's actually quite small. Now, I know I'm talking for a long time, but this is my video. if you have a 2015 and up, you're gonna need an adaptive. You're gonna need an adaptive cable that plugs to the back of the in the trunk. Lose my brain process. But if you have a 2012 and to 2014, I'm sorry, unfortunately, if a 2011, it will not work. It's 2012 and up. I lucked out and got a 2012, so your boy got the SRT 8 pages, baby. But no, like I like it though. I like it. It's worth buying it. So if you got the money to spend, go ahead and buy it. Other than that, try to find somebody who has it, and you know, they might charge you, they might not, but I say go ahead and buy it. So you know, it's worth it, because man, I say buy it mainly because, especially if you're into doing you do in Mexico, that if you have to have this plugged in order to completely turn off traction control and line lock and stuff like that. So that's when I say it's worth it. But if you just want to get the SRT 8 pages, to each their own. But I say get it. So with that being said, this is a review of the Automotive Tazer. Signing out, y'all.